What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, man. It's your boy G Legacy. Today I'll be changing the rear shocks on both sides. What you're gonna need to do is look up here and you'll see I've got my socket on one of them already. These are two 12mm nuts that we're gonna have to pull off. So one here and one there, y'all. And then you look, follow the shock, go down in there. There's another bolt connecting it. Let's bring you guys underneath. That one. So this bolt connected to the shock over here. And that, I believe, is a 17. Let's see. Yep, 17. Perfect. Alright, let's get these up. Gotta go easy with these guys. Make sure you put some lube or something. Because if you break these studs that sit in this car, you're gonna weld them, you're gonna weld these things back, huh? Just make sure. It's good. That one was already cracked earlier, huh? There we go. Let's get these up. I'm just switching to my impact. Just like that, it's awesome. Should be able to just pull shut it. So it's like that. I'm gonna all use like a whole bracket and the same rubber bump stop. Here's the new one. Let's get it. So, didn't know that. So it looks like I'm gonna have to reuse the old bolt from. We're gonna use the bolt from the old one. Let's see, it works. It works perfectly. Just a comparison now. Look at this shot compared to this shot. Look at the thickness, look at the difference. See that? I hope this shot is a lot better. Alright, what I'm doing here is removing the safety pin now. Just like that. Shot coming out pretty fast. Alright, so what I'm doing right here is I'm gonna press the shock up like that, so I can get it down in the bottom here. Down there. You see it? There it goes. Now, I can put these ones in. Like that, y'all.
It's flying.
Ready? You gotta get the nuts first. Okay? Put this one. Okay. I'll let you do one, okay? Good job. High five. High five. Alright, y'all, and that's how you get the rear shocks done on your Mazda 5. If you like what you see, man, be sure to hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Comment and let me know what I could do to make these videos better, man. Peace out.